Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add stickers on Discord bio. So first of all, go ahead to your Discord right here, okay? And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to any server, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the server title at the top, and you're going to see right here, this is the server and everything. Click on the settings, and you're going to be able right here to see the settings and everything. So go ahead and click on the title right here. Sorry, go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser and go ahead and click on the server. For example, click on the server right here, and basically you're gonna see a server settings. Click on it and you're gonna see right here stickers. Go ahead and click on the stickers. Scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see right here upload sticker. Go ahead and click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to add the file of the sticker and add the name and add a description or bio for that sticker, and then hit upload at the bottom right corner. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.